Well, hi everyone. I've got a review for, as you can see, a nail drill, and it's just like a pen. This is a very up-to-date one, very smart, and very simple to use. So I will open it and I'll show you what is inside. There you go. Now you can either have one in gold or one in red. And with it, they were very good in sending me a UK plug, which is great. And with this, it's got your controls on there. Just put it down. Got your controls there, and it's a little wheel for fast and slow, and you've got your reverse and forward as well, and it's 1200 revs per minute with this. Then that end goes into the end of the drill, and also on the end of the plug you have a light, so once you've plugged it in, that lights up so you know that it's on. So with that, they send you the drills as well, with the sandbands in there. And then for the pen itself, let's have to poke it out this way. That's it. And there it is. It's a lovely weight to hold, and so easy. Very easy. This is beautiful. Now this will be £18.69, and I'll show you, there is a 10% discount, and I'll show you what you need to do. So as you can see on there, it gives you the price, and then in this is your voucher. So when you go on, because it's their site, which is this one here, IBN, there, IBN, you go on, you do your voucher, and you'll get your 10%. And if Americans order it, then they will get, take that off, they will get the American plug, which I think is fantastic. So that's how you'll be able to see when you go on their site. I will leave a link in the drop down box for you to go and have a look at the things that they do. So what I'm going to do now, it is for gel and acrylic. So I will get a couple of nails and we'll see how it works. So for the gel one, I'm going to use a sandband, and they are all different coarse. You know, you go from a nice smooth one up to a rough one. So I think this is the one that you put there on, so I won't go too rough. So I will put this one on there, like so, and then that fits. Well, let's switch this on first. So this fits into the end of there, and this is not too far away for you to hold. So if you can hear that, and it goes right the way down. So the middle one on there is off, then you've got your forward and reverse. So I'm going to put this one, you just push it in on there. So I've got a nail here with gel, so we'll see what happens. Oh, it's quite powerful. This is ideal for young ones. It's not, you know, it's not too big, bulky. Whether a sandband is ideal for gel, we shall see. As you can see, it is coming off. So that's working fine. No problem at all there, as you can see. That sets yourself a treat. That's just with a sandband. So there's no problem with that. That's very good. Very impressed with such a little thing. So I'll switch it off and I'll take that one off. Now I've never ever used the metal ones. Turn that over on the metal ones. If I'm doing anything, then I prefer these. They're more of a safety one. So I'm going to put the safety one in because that's what I would use for my nails. So we'll push that one in. This is the medium, by the way. Now I've got acrylic nail there. It's got the nail bed underneath and it's got acrylic on the top. So we'll see what happens with this one. So we'll turn that up a little bit and we'll see what happens here. Now turn this up a little bit more because obviously this is much thicker to take acrylic off, and you can see it is coming off, it's all over me. So like I say, for teenagers who want to start doing the nails, this is perfect. And as you can see, I'm beginning to see through there now. Oh yeah, that is quite a powerful little machine to take off. And with these sort of drill bits, they are the safety ones as well. And as you can see, it's coming straight through now. You can see my little pad through there. So you'll have no problems whatsoever with this. Very impressed with such a lovely little machine. So I'll switch that off again. And there we go. Like I say, it's all over me. But that is very impressive for such a little thing like this. It's beautiful. Really nice to hold. You know, hold it like a pen, or as I did, like this. So, if you want to go and try one out, like I say, for £18.69, and it's free post as well. Instructions are with it, so you know well, turn it the right way around so you can see it. But it's self-explanatory, really. It's a beautiful little thing. So go and check their site out and have a look and get the 10% discount at the same time, which makes it even better. And you're not breaking the bank. So I'd like to thank, where are we? I can never remember. Where we go. Yeah, it's IBN. And Leo sent me this, so I'd like to thank them for sending me this for me to try, and there is no problem with it whatsoever. It is a beautiful little machine. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this little tutorial on this, and you will go and have a look, and like I say, if you're in need of a little drill, it's powerful enough for anyone really, and it's very portable. No big machines or anything like that. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this, and thank you so much for watching, and hopefully see you in my next. Bye!